Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain, and real quick I want to show you this grab handle anti-rattle clamp from Tusk. This is for Polaris side-by-sides, and what this does, it gets rid of that obnoxious rattle that you have with the passenger grab handle. This is made from billet aluminum, nice black anodized finish, installs in a matter of seconds. You literally just slide it over, tighten down this Allen bolt, take your grab handle, slide it through to the setting that you want, then you just tighten down this knob, and once you do that, it just completely eliminates all that rattle. So if you have one of these side-by-sides, you know what I'm talking about. So a simple way to get rid of that. Now this fits a lot of different Polaris side-by-sides, so to know if it'll fit yours, it is very simple. On the product page, you just enter the year, make, and model of the machine you have, and that will ensure that this will fit your side-by-side. But if you have questions or comments, make sure to just leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Hey, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on cool little products like this for your side-by-side, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.